This is the Jetson One. Imagine stepping outside, climbing into a sleek vehicle, and flying straight into the sky. This is a personal electric aircraft built for everyday people. You do not need to be a trained pilot to experience the thrill of your own flying car. Powered by electricity, it uses 8 propellers to lift you straight up, so you never need a runway. It is incredibly easy to control with just 2 joysticks. If you let go of the controls, the aircraft safely stops and hovers in place automatically. It even includes a built-in parachute for complete peace of mind. Cruising at over 60 miles per hour, it gives you 20 minutes of pure freedom in the air. The future of personal flight is no longer science fiction. Next, we have the Klein Vision Air Car. This is a true flying car that brings the best of both worlds straight to your garage. On the ground, it looks and drives like a sleek sports car and runs on regular pump fuel. When you are ready for the sky, it transforms into an airplane at the push of a button. In just over 2 minutes, the tail extends and the wings automatically unfold. Unlike a helicopter, you will need a short runway to take off and begin your journey. Once in the air, it safely carries 2 passengers. It cruises at high speeds and can fly for hundreds of miles before needing to land. It seamlessly blends the thrill of driving with the freedom of flight, taking your everyday road trips directly into the clouds. This is Joby Aviation S4. Welcome to the next generation of urban transportation. This fully electric aircraft is designed as an aerial taxi to revolutionize how we travel. Taking off and landing vertically, it requires no traditional runway. Once in the air, its 6 propellers tilt forward, allowing it to transition smoothly and fly efficiently like an airplane. It can comfortably carry a pilot and 4 passengers at speeds up to 200 miles per hour. Best of all, it operates with 0 emissions and is incredibly quiet during flight. The Joby S4 is bringing fast, clean, and convenient air travel directly to our cities. Next, we have the pivotal Helix. This single-seat, all-electric personal aircraft is designed to make the dream of personal flight accessible to almost anyone. Because it operates under ultralight regulations, you do not even need a formal pilot's license to experience flying it. It takes off and lands completely vertically, meaning you can launch directly from a small clearing. Once you are airborne, the entire aircraft's unique tilted frame leans forward to cruise smoothly over open landscapes, lakes, and forests. Controlled with an intuitive joystick and backed by smart automation, it offers a simple, thrilling, and completely solo journey through the skies. Next, we have the EHang EH216-S. This is a revolutionary, fully electric aerial taxi designed to fly you safely over crowded city streets. What makes it truly unique is that it is completely pilotless, allowing you to just sit back, relax, and enjoy the breathtaking views below. With 16 powerful electric propellers, it lifts off straight into the air like a drone, eliminating the need for any runway. It operates autonomously along pre-planned routes, moving passengers smoothly and quietly through urban environments. The future of daily commuting is here, turning long traffic jams into a quick, scenic flight. Next, we have the Archer Midnight. This piloted 5-seat electric aircraft is engineered to completely transform how we navigate busy cities. Designed specifically for rapid, back-to-back air taxi flights, it aims to turn grueling traffic commutes into quick, effortless hops through the sky. Equipped with 12 electric propellers along its wings, it rises straight up into the air, entirely bypassing the need for a runway. Once airborne, its forward rotors seamlessly tilt to transition the vehicle into fast, smooth forward flight, just like a traditional airplane. Operating quietly and cleanly with 0 emissions, it provides a safe, comfortable, and highly efficient way to travel across modern urban landscapes.